Hello, my dear friend. Wherever you are in the world, and whatever you are carrying today, I just want to say, I'm truly glad you're here. Welcome to English Podcast Every Day, your quiet space to slow down, to breathe gently, and to come back to yourself. Today, we'll explore something simple yet powerful: how to be positive every day. Take a soft breath in and let it go slowly. Let's begin. Many people believe that being positive means being cheerful all the time, like it's something you're born with or something you don't have at all. But that's not true. Positivity is not a personality. It is a practice, a skill, a quiet decision you make again and again. Most positive people are not always happy. They've had hard days, long nights, moments when everything felt heavy. But they learned something gentle. They learned how to return to hope. Not perfectly, not quickly, but patiently. Being positive doesn't mean pretending everything is okay. It means choosing to believe that even if things are not okay now, they can become better. It's like keeping a small window open in your mind so that light can still come in. Let me ask you something gently. What is the first thought you have when you wake up? For many people, it's stress or worry or reaching for the phone. But your mind in that moment is very open, very soft, very sensitive. That first thought you plant becomes the background music of your entire day. So what if you changed just one sentence? Instead of, "I'm tired, I can't do this," you whisper, "I'll take today gently. I can handle this moment." Just one small thought can guide your whole direction. You don't need to feel ready. You only need to begin softly. Now let's talk about something important: protecting your energy. Being positive does not mean saying yes to everything. Sometimes the most positive thing you can do is to say no. No to what drains you. No to conversations that leave you empty. No to habits that make you feel lost. This is not selfish. This is self-respect. Your energy is like a small garden. If you give it away to everyone, nothing will be left for what truly matters. And the right people, they will understand. They will respect your boundaries because they want you to feel whole. Now, let's come back to something gentle: gratitude. Gratitude is not loud. It is quiet, like a small candle inside you. Some days it shines brightly. Other days it is just a soft glow, but it is always there. You don't need to feel perfect to be grateful. You just need to notice one small good thing. Maybe it's the warmth of your coffee, the sound of birds, a moment of silence, or even this moment, learning and growing. When you do this, your story begins to change from "nothing is working" to "some things are still holding me," and that is strength. Here is something powerful that many people forget. You don't have to feel good to do something good. You can feel tired and still be kind. sad and still choose gentle words. You can feel lost and still take one small step forward. This is not fake. This is courage, because your actions are stronger than your emotions. Sometimes, just cleaning your space, sending a kind message, or taking a walk is enough to remind your mind, I still have a choice. And that choice is where your power lives. Now, gently pause. Place your hand over your heart and take a slow breath. And whisper softly, I don't need to fix everything today. I only need one small step. I choose to return to hope. Again, slowly. I choose to return to hope. You are not behind. You are not failing. You are learning how to be gentle with yourself. And that is already something beautiful. If this moment brought you a little peace, follow English Podcast every day for more soft, healing reflections. Share this with someone who might need a gentle reminder today. And tell me in the comments, what is one small positive thought you choose to carry